Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Google and choosing the account you'll use. This keeps settings and history consistent. Next, type a query that supports interactive results. Recipes, units, math, or code snippets work well. Once the search loads, scan the results for an interactive card or a visible Try It button. Click it immediately to open the embedded tool. This begins the live testing experience, so you can change inputs and see instant outputs without switching pages. Once the Try It panel is open, locate the input controls, text boxes, sliders, drop-downs, and example presets, and focus on the primary field first. You should change one variable at a time so you can see how each input affects results. This isolates cause and effect. Make use of any presets to speed testing, and switch units or language if the tool supports them. Once satisfied with inputs, run the evaluation and watch the output update instantly. Repeat as needed. Finally, review the output carefully and copy or export any useful results. If you need to preserve a setup, note the inputs or take a screenshot. Once done, close the panel or run final variations to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, slow updates, wrong outputs, or missing controls, reload the page, clear cache, or sign out and back in. These steps fix most state issues. If the issue persists, use the feedback/report option and include a screenshot so Google can reproduce and resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.